You know how when you open the door, there's this bright light that turns on. That S, because there's a special sensor in here that detects when the door is open and then sends a signal to the control board. The control board then turns on the compressor, which is this thing right here. It's like a mini air conditioner that cools down the freezer. But wait, there's more. There's also a fan that circulates the cold air throughout the freezer. And if the temperature inside the freezer gets too high, the fan will turn on to help cool things down. And finally, there's a thermometer that makes sure the temperature stays at the right level. It does this by sending a signal to the control board, which then turns on the heater. The heater warms up the freezer just enough to prevent ice from forming. So that's how a freezer works. It's like a mini air conditioner that keeps your food frozen,